Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org. Coming to you this Tuesday morning, November 8th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. And with about 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, right now the bulls are continuing to do what they did from J period on yesterday. So we went out with a double distribution day, a price probe, a price spike. And right now we've been trading firmly inside of the upper end of the range and above it. Look at the overnight low right now in ES, right above B's high where the price spike started. Again, I'm in fours here, I think. Oh, no, only twos, but we'll see how wide this point of control is. Remember, above us, there is a price vacuum to the upside. So now we're firmly trying to get accepted inside the upper distribution from Fed Day. Obviously, the first target, besides yesterday's high and the overnight high, will be the 12-wide point of control from November 2nd. And then there's nothing until that day's high, which is also a weekly high. So what I think we're quite clearly seeing here is a continuation of short covering as it is today's the midterm elections. We talk about not knowing if the results will be, and considering what's going on with Powerball, from what I understand, they haven't even released or drawn the Powerball numbers. Maybe this is a prelude to what's going to happen with this election tonight. We'll see if we do have any finality to it come tomorrow morning. But for now, at least early on, we're getting more short covering and momentum buying early this morning. Triple Q's also the same as they've trading above yesterday's high. Russell, remember, IWM never took out the IB high or low yesterday. Look at today so far. Overnight high is right against yesterday's high, and they're inside of yesterday. So they're definitely acting a little different than the NASDAQ and the S&P. Overnight high in SPY is 381.55. Overnight low, 378.71 right now. So here's the game plan. If we open with a gap, and the gap's not that large, of $1 or less, I'd probably look to take a long play and use the gap as my out. If you fill the gap, I can't imagine you're not going to test this wide overnight POC. However, on the flip side, above us, again, there's a vacuum all the way up to that 12-wide point of control. In SPY, it's up at 382.44. So if we stay above the 50-day moving average closed yesterday in SPY at 379.09. So even if the gap fills, now I don't think I want to take all the heat down to there, so I might get out of that long, but then I'd probably look for another long against the 50-day moving average. Again, you can get out below that and then see what happens at the bottom of the upper distribution. So there will be places to still take longs because you're going to have higher value at least to start the day and a couple of things to lean on. Now, we'll see if they remain things to lean on or they become heat-seeking targets for those heat-seeking algos. Okay, so that will remain to be seen. As far as a short, in the next 75 minutes, if you don't gap higher, you can take one against yesterday's high, and then it depends on how much heat you want to take. I don't think you'd want to take it all the way to the overnight high, so then above yesterday's high out, and maybe another short against the overnight high. Or in the next 75 minutes, if we're to open inside the single prints, same thing if you're to push up against the price probe. Again, these are all early plays. You'd be getting these up to the second updates as the day is evolving at CamelbackTrading.org. Again, I really appreciate you guys and gals liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel. And then don't forget, we also have CPI on Thursday. Here's your chart. So I have the daily up, I called it. Some people will still call it balance, and that's fine. But we're attempting to take out yesterday's high. If we do, we'll be one-time framing up 3 days in a row. Again, the next big target is this daily high and then the weekly high of 390.39. So we're still far away from it. The big question is this just simply a case of buying the rumor and then maybe selling the news once the election is done? Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.